Hi guys, Jez B in the UK, just bringing you a little update video on the Cash Forex Group or CFX Group program. I did mention on my last update video that these guys are actually doing overview presentations of the business on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. So what I thought I'd do is actually bring you this little update, and we can just actually run through the presentation that was done by Justin Halliday on Monday, September 2nd. That would have been Labor Day in the States. And yeah, I think it's kind of important to get the overview from, you know, the sort of senior program management, if you like, as well, in the way they put the presentations forward. So I think it's quite good if you're actually watching those as well as just other participants in the program. So that's one of the reasons I'm quite keen to actually show you this one. And as I say, it's most of these overviews they do tend to be between 15-20 minutes. It's really touching on the core basics, but there's enough in there really, you know, to give you an idea if this is something you want to participate in. And as always, I do say make sure you read the disclaimers below, and if you do register using the link below, obviously make sure you are viewing all the disclaimers on the Cash Forex site as well, the Cash FX site. But that being said, let's let Justin take it away.
Okay, happy Monday, new month, Monday, September 2nd. Welcome to this live, exciting, brief, but packed with information and value, the Cash Forex Group Monday Night English webinar. I'm excited that you're here, guys. I am so excited that somebody has taken action and has invited you to come and take a look at this business. What you're going to see is you're going to see transparency, you're going to see technology, you're going to see automation, you're going to see some next level stuff here tonight, guys. And so my name is Justin Halliday. Again, I'm excited you're here. And with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right in and get into some details here. First and foremost, we're talking about the Forex market. Now, I just want you to know, for those of you that don't know what the Forex market is, that's okay. Because a little over 2 years ago, I had no clue. It was just not something that I was in tune with. I didn't know about it until somebody shared something like this, a webinar. So the Forex market, guys, check it out. It's the largest, most liquid financial market in the world. The daily traded average is over $5 trillion. That's a capital T, $5 trillion. You can actually take all of the other markets, the crypto market, the futures market, the stock market, you can combine those all together, and the Forex market still trades in one day more than all of those markets together. It is historically proven to be recession-proof. That's why the banks get involved. That's why people like Warren Buffett and Jim Rogers and some of these other traditional, well-known investors are involved in the Forex market because of the flexible risk management strategies, right? Because our capital, your capital, my capital can be leveraged to make massive gains. I mean, really, when you're connected to a company that has the right technology, we're talking massive gains, right? And it's traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. In fact, it opens Sunday night around 5 Eastern. It trades all week, Monday through Friday, and then Friday around 4 or 5 Eastern Standard Time, it closes down. So that's just a little bit of information on the Forex market. So now what about Cash Forex or Cash FX Group? That's us. A team of project management experts specializing in the financial markets. Our highly trained educational team is focused on the guidance and success trading memberships. That's me. That's you. Our trading contracts. The Cash Forex corporate office and educational floor are registered and located in Panama City, Panama. And our broker partners work with the following regulated authorities. FCA, DFSA, FSCA, and FSA. I do know that we're going to get a chance here in the next short couple of months to be able to visit that office. I'm excited to go to Panama City, Panama. I've never been there. Very excited for that trip. The office and educational floor are going to be amazing building location, just in a gorgeous part of the world. Very excited about that. Our mission is unlike anything we've ever seen before in the space. Is to offer world-class Forex trading performance. I love that. World-class Forex trading performance while providing a personalized and professional academy program. We're talking real education, guys. We're talking for those of you that want to learn how to actually, and listen, some of you may and some of you may not. That's why we feel we have a perfect fit here for just about everyone. Its purpose is to improve the financial lives of you and me, our CashFX family all over the world. Guys, we are in over 50 countries already. That's huge. Over 50 countries in just 5 weeks. What we're seeing is massive growth, guys, massive growth. Transparency, honesty, and respect to and for the CashFX family. That is the core value of Cash Forex Group. Now, I personally had an opportunity to meet one of our founders, Mr. Huáscar Lopez, in Orlando, and we had a really good time together. In fact, it was his birthday. You know, we had some cake, and we got a really good chance to get to know each other. And I can tell you, for me personally, he's operating on the same playing field as I am. And when you talk about transparency, you talk about honesty, you talk about respect, these are probably some of the same values that you have, that you instill in your children, that you instill in your family. And so we're in a really good place right now, guys. Let's talk a little bit about the CashFX trading success. Hang on. I saw a question come in. So I'm actually going to do some Q&A. If I have questions come in, I see they're feeding me some questions this time. So we'll get back to the Q&A. CashFX trading success is achieved with a combination. Guys, it's a combination, okay? Live professional traders. We've seen them. We know their names. We know they're real. We've conversated with John and the team, and we're very excited. Proprietary algorithms and our own, very important, AI trading technology. Meaning we're not borrowing it from some other company, which means if we get into some sort of a disagreement with that company and it breaks, the relationship splits, they take off with their technology. The proprietary algorithms and AI trading technology is in-house, as well as EA design and management. So the professionals have extensive experience in both Forex trading, EA design and management. We're dealing with algorithms, we're dealing with technology. And just so you know, there's going to be a lot of marketing tools coming for you guys to be able to share all of this with your friends. Because at the end of the day, you know, when you come across a business that is real, that is going to last many years, and you feel confident in what you're involved in, why would you not want to share it with all your friends? So just a little bit about that there. Let's talk about the Academy for a minute. And again, I'm going to keep this real simple, guys. This is a very simple presentation. You don't need to overcomplicate everything here. So the Academy is broken down into 3 levels. That's it. We've got 3 levels. We've got the Elemental Series, which is an introduction to the world of Forex. Learn the basics. Become familiar with terms and concepts, swing trades and scalping, things like that. Supreme Series takes you further into the concepts and technologies. You'll learn some advanced skills that will serve as a foundation for success if you choose to open your own trading account and manage it yourself. And then there's the Advanced, which introduces the most challenging aspects of Forex mastery. the mindset, the psychology of Forex trading, professional trading. Learn from experienced professionals the necessary behaviors. This is real-world education, guys. This education will be available to all of our members when we launch in November. Cash FX trade contracts. Again, I'm just going to kind of go over this. We're going to touch on this. The Elemental series has basically 4 units. You can start for as little as 300 and get access to the trading. Get access to the training. And then out of that 300, it's a 30-70 split. It's real simple. 30% goes towards the cost of your project. 70% goes into the trade account. You get some leadership program. We have a really very exciting leadership program. For those of you that like to build large organizations and build teams, you're going to get points for every contract that's sold within your network. I believe we're going to be coming out with the points calculation this month, pushing into October for a promotion, and then when we launch in November, the leadership program will be activated. Guys, I heard we're going to have trips and cars and all sorts of things for those that are out there literally taking action and building a massive network. So you have your 4 units in the Elemental series. You have 3 units in Supreme, 5K, 10K, 20K. Again, down below, you can see the 30-70 split right there. For instance, the 20K package, $6,000 goes towards the cost of the product, your academy, and then $14,000 goes into the trade account. And then there's your leadership. Now, trading on the global Forex market is risky, right? It's risky. Please only trade money you can afford to lose. No trade results will ever be guaranteed in any type of real trading activity, right? And then your last level, which is your advanced professional series, 30K, 50K, and 100K. So here's how the breakdown works. We have a reward plan. Now, for those of you that just want to participate in the training and the trading, and you simply are not looking to build a team, well, you're a bear. Bear capital. We like to say lazy investor, right? Somebody just wants to sit back and put their money to work in the market, leveraging the technology and the expertise of Cash Forex Group. Okay, this is a very unique reward plan, and there are several industry firsts. Okay, never before done. Now, you'll see off to the right there your 2K package contract, right? There's that 30%. The 600, it's split in half. 50% goes into the fast start bonus, 50% goes into the level. So if you do decide to go out and share this with your friends, and your buddy Joe jumps in at a 2K package, well, he just made $300 immediately. That's a fast start bonus. The other 300 goes into the level. And because you have now referred a friend, you now opened up bull capital. That's 4X, guys, not 4X as in the market. 4 is the number 4, guys. 400%. 200% on the bear and 200% on the bull, which means at the 2K package, you're looking at a total return. If you max both the bear capital and the bull capital, you're looking at $8,000. $8,000 on a 2K package. And again, each trade contract includes those leadership program points, PV. Earn PV from your growing team if you decide to build a team to advance your rank, to further open the reward plan levels. And again, that reward plan is going to be made available soon and activated when we have the official launch. Again, participation in the Cash FX rewards plan is not a guarantee of success. Both hard work and following structure of the rewards plan are required for results. I always ask people, are you willing to do the things other people can but won't, so that you can live the life that you dream? That's what it comes down to. Hard work always pays off. Now, let's get into our trading results. Our proprietary AI technology, right, combined with our professional Forex trading team's experienced technicians, all work together to create what we are seeing is extraordinary trade results. Yes, there are no guarantees in professional Forex trading. Yes, there are losses. This bonus also varies depending on Monday through Friday's trading success. But the goal here, Cash CFX has set a maximum trade earning cap of 15% per week. I think last week we did 12.2%. Right? Where can you get that? Where can you get that? Right? Your trade benefit is in direct proportion to your cash FX trade contract size. Yes, guys, here cash Forex size does matter. And this bonus will accelerate your bear capital. Remember, that's for those lazy investors. Now, the 50% starting bonus, that is your bull capital. That means you've now gone out and referred at least one person. You're going to receive that 50% of the 30% trade contract part of the purchase. That's real simple, guys. Again, you sign up a 2K package, you put $300 in your pocket. That $300 is accessible immediately in your back office. You can withdraw it immediately straight out to your wallet. Now, 50% unilevel bonus. Again, we're going to keep this real simple, guys. You can earn down 10 levels. Level 1 is everybody you refer into the business. You go out and you tell Joe and Mike and Bob, and they all decide to get a contract. Joe, Mike, and Bob are on your level 1. Now, Joe, Mike, and Bob get excited, and they go out and tell a couple of their friends. Their friends are on their level 2. You're level 2. Now, their friends go and tell their friends it's level 3, and it continues to go down each level. You understand? Now, very, very, very big piece of the plan right now. Do not miss this. The unilevel is wide open during pre-launch. What was that, Justin? The unilevel is wide open during pre-launch. I've not seen a company do this before. We are earning down all 10 levels up until the official launch. Now, once we have the official launch, then the leadership ranks come into effect, which means out of the gate, you're going to earn on 4 levels just by joining and getting a contract and starting to refer some of your friends. You open up 4 levels. Become an executive, level 5 and 6. Become a manager, 7 and 8. Become a director, 9. Become a president's club, level 10. Now you become ambassador. You have 1.5% to infinity. You become global ambassador. You've just maxed out the unilevel, 2% to infinity. That might be 40 levels. It might be 80 levels. It might be 100 levels. Could be. But again, very, very important. The unilevel is wide open right now. This bonus will accelerate the bull capital. Very, very simple, guys. The unilevel pays out every Saturday at noon. Saturday checks are lovely. The trade pool payouts pay out Saturday at noon. Lovely. We just had a matrix payout on Sunday. Got a check on Sunday. I mean, come on, guys. The force matrix is one of the most unique parts of the program. Everyone pays a 20% withdrawal fee. Everyone. No matter what. When you're taking money out of the system, you're paying 20%. Here's what I love. The company is very generous. I didn't tell you this, but 100% of the cost of the product, you know, that 30% of the trade contract, that $600 of the 2K package, that gets paid right out to the field. Company doesn't keep any of that. 100% is paid out to the field in the compensation. Now, the 20% that we all have to pay when we do a withdrawal, whether we're trying to get that money and put it in our pocket or use that to upgrade to the next contract, we pay 20%. Company doesn't keep any of that either. Let me repeat that. The company does not keep any of the withdrawal fee. It goes back into our pockets. It's split into 3 different buckets. 50% of it goes right into the matrix. So 10% of that goes 50% of the 20% goes right into the matrix. And you'll see there is how you're paid out. So if somebody down on your level 8, and by the way, level 8 will have 6,561 members. If somebody down on level 8 withdraws, you're going to receive 20% of their withdrawal. Massive. Massive. And I have to say this, guys, the company just made another enhancement to our back office. I've not seen this in any other project before. But the Matrix and the Unilevel are reporting real time. Like right now today, I can see, since the Unilevel paid out on Saturday, I can now see how much I'm going to receive up to this minute next Saturday. And it just builds. It has me logging. They've got me logging into the back office like 100 times a day, guys. I'm telling you, we're in a good place right now. So then there's also a percentage of that withdrawal fee that goes to the matrix matching, which means when your people get paid out of the matrix, you will receive a match, another bonus, and then the leadership rank bonus, another bonus. Listen, the withdrawal fee is not profit for CashFX. Again, this was a unique and deliberate strategy to create a constant residual. Hold on. How could we have a residual check with no monthly fee? Cash Forex. Cash Forex. This bonus accelerates the bear capital. Again, somebody could technically come in and buy a contract, never refer a single person, and receive spillover. This is why I tell everybody when you get started, your first 12 positions, your first 3 on your first level, and then your 9 on your second level, those are as good as gold. You need to treat them that way. When you go out and you start talking to people, you need to let them know that it is advantageous and absolutely time sensitive for the urgency for them to get started as soon as possible, because the chances of them seeing people come into their matrix without ever referring a single person are greater at the top. It's just how it works. This is a very unique piece of it. And right now we get paid on the 1st and the 16th of every month. 1st and the 16th of every month. Again, it is a network marketing first. It is a forced team matrix, another key point there. Now, the personal matching, that will accelerate both the bear and the bull. So you'll see there unlock levels of your matrix when you upgrade your contract. So depending on what contract you're in, depends on the levels that are open, and it depends on the personal matching. Again, like I said before, here at CashFX, the size of your package doesn't matter. And last but not least, we have the leadership program. How do you rank up in the company? Well, it's real simple. In order to be an executive, you have to have at least the $500 contract. You have to refer at least 3 personal people who have bought a contract, and you have to have 7,000 points in your entire network. You're an executive. You just now opened up levels 5 and 6 on the uni level when we launched. Remember, right now today it's wide open. Manager, now you're moving into manager. You still have that $500 package. Now your group volume has to go to 2,500, and you need 2 of those executives. So you need two people that qualify as executive on any lineage. So they could be in any one of your levels. They have to be from separate organizations, separate legs, but any level. So you could have somebody that is on your level 4 or 5 that's just absolutely crushing it, that can help you move up in the leadership rank. And so I'm not going to go through every one. You can go through the PDF, but I also like the matching bonus here, guys, because we're talking about building leaders. This company understands it's about leaders building leaders. We're bringing people up. We're teaching people how to build a business online. And when those people get good and hit certain ranks, we get rewarded. It's amazing. And so that bonus accelerates the bull capital. Guys, listen, I don't have the slide on here, but there's 3 things I need you to do right now. Right now, whether you're watching this live or you're catching this on a playback, somebody shared this with you on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it doesn't matter. Right now, we wrapped up the presentation. First thing you need to do is you need to get back to your friend, whoever it was that invited you to the presentation that shared this video. That's step 1, get back to them. Step 2 is get their referral link, create your account, and lock in your contract. Purchase a contract. Whatever is right for you. Again, 300 all the way up to 100,000. Get a contract started. Step 3, these webinars are happening all week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in multiple languages. Maybe you're here today and you understand English, but you speak Chinese. Or maybe you speak French, or maybe you speak Italian. You're going to check the schedule. You're going to find out when that language is going live, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and you're going to get as many people as you can. You're going to call them up. You're going to say, I just found something that is absolutely game-changing, life-changing, and amazing. I need you to come and check it out. It's about a 20-minute webinar. And that's it, guys. It's really that simple. We're excited that you joined us tonight. I'm excited. And I'm going to answer this one question. It says, I am already in but need some clarification. Currently don't have a personal referral. Am I eligible for spillover from the force matrix as a bear without a referral yet? The answer to that question is yes. And hopefully I was clear in talking about that. Absolutely, the answer to that question is yes. Guys, my name is Justin Halliday. We are building this fast. It's exciting. join us. Get back to the person that invited you. Get started. Talk soon. Take care.
Okay, guys. Well, hopefully that presentation from Justin has kind of whet your appetite for finding out a little bit more about the Cash Forex group and the program. The link will be below. You should see that there, Crypto Maze and then Cash Forex group. If you click that, you'll go through to the site. You can register there. What I would say is once you've registered, it is quite important that you confirm your email details. And as Justin said on the video, it's best to use a Gmail account for the system. You'll get an email that will come through to you. You just need to confirm your email address. If you haven't done that, guys, it's going to be difficult for you to get the follow-up information you'll need from the program. So I do recommend you do that. And as I say, do obviously check the disclaimers on the site. Make sure you understand the risks with Forex and everything. But having said that, so far, I've been in the program now about 3 weeks. It is pretty much doing, what it said on the tin. You've got experienced traders out there who are actually doing the Forex trading for us Monday through to Friday. And like clockwork, every Saturday it works out about 5 PM UK time. You get the email through confirming what you've earned for that week in the trading part of your package, and that goes straight through to your back office and is withdrawable the moment they've notified you that it's there. As I say, I've already upgraded from my first pack that I got with the program up to the second, and yeah, it's only going to be another week or so before I'm upgrading again. So I'm more than happy with the way this program's performing. Hopefully that overview that Justin's just given you has given you a pretty clear insight to it. I do, on my channel, I do some other overviews myself, but I thought this is quite good to give you one of the company presentations. And what I would say, go back to around about 17 minutes in this video, and yeah, just run over that the forced 3x10 matrix part of the video again, because it's quite huge in the sense that even those people who are coming in and just want to get involved on the bear side, so that's where you're not actively looking to go out to get anyone into a team or build a team, you can still earn from the actual forced 3x10 matrix without even bringing anybody into the business. So as these matrices you're in build out, even if it's a few cents per person on the withdrawals that are going on in that matrix, it can, it will soon start to build up, guys. So that is quite huge, and that's again a first for these type of programs. So highly recommend you give, certainly if you want to view the video again, but definitely from around about 17 minutes in when he starts explaining about the force 3x10 matrix. Highly recommend you watch that. Anyway, going to wrap it up here. As always, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'm sure we'll be sharing a few more of these company overview presentations. That's it for now, and I'll see you on the next one.